Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to claim free bet on Bet365. Now if you want to claim a free bet on Bet365, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started now. If you want to claim a free bet on Bet365, then first you need to check that if you are eligible for free bet or not. Now to check it, you need to simply open the Bet365 app on a device. So if you have already installed the app, that's good. If you have not, you need to simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you need to log into Bet365 using your username and password. You will usually credit it to your account automatically. So if eligible, then it will automatically credit to your account easily, and you might also receive a notification or email confirming that you have earned a free bet. So in some cases, if you don't receive the notifications, then you need to go on the promotion page, and after that you need to activate the offer. Now to use the free bet, you may select your slip and go on the bet slip, and you may click on the option of use free bet and all. And so after that, you may apply the free bet on a device, and you may confirm the bet and use the free bet on a device. So that's it. That's how you can claim the free bet on Bet365. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.